friends, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're not subscribed, please make sure to do so, and also turn on my post notifications so you know whenever I upload a new video. I'm really excited about today's video. It is my room tour. I feel like I say this in every room tour video I do, but I just love making a place feel like my idea of home, and I definitely feel like I've done that to this room. Interior decorating is also something I love to do, so hopefully this video will give you guys some ideas for your rooms. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video, and without further ado, let's just get right into the room tour. So starting off, when you first enter my room, I have this poster of some sloths doing yoga on the back of my door, which is from Society 6. Then I have this cool calendar that I got for Christmas, and it's just like Ram Dass inspired. It has a bunch of his quotes. These 3 wooden shelves I got at the Melrose Trading Post, which is a flea market in LA that happens on Sundays. They have some photos underneath it. In the shelves, I have some like essential oils. I have a little art piece that my friend got me from Africa, some more photos. I also keep some of my favorite crystals in one of the shelves, and some more photos and a sage stick. Underneath those shelves, I have this mini bulletin board that I got because, I don't know, I found that this was an effective way to hang my necklaces. So I have a bunch of necklaces on there. Then I have these 2 wooden crates that I just kind of put my gym clothes in, and then like my extra tote bags and stuff. Hanging your jewelry like this is a great way to not get it all tangled up. Then I have this cool little elephant shelf, I think it's what it is. And then the painting above, one of my friends, Haley, actually painted for me. Then I have this framed artwork from Society 6, and I actually have 2 by the same artist. I'll have her links below. She's amazing, love her. And then I have this macrame that I got on Amazon. Then I have my favorite part of my room, my bed, which, yes, it is a twin size mattress, and it's from IKEA. And then I got those like wooden pallets from like a hardware store, I'm pretty sure. Then I have my diffuser, a little box where I put my incense sticks and Palo Santo and stuff. I have a little succulent, actually I have 2. And then I have 2 hanging plants as well that hang above my bed. I love them, they're my children. And then right next to my bed, I obviously have my little nightstand where I just keep my little notebook, my iPad, reading light, just things that I use before bed, my essential oils, my books, stuff like that. On the wall right next to my bed, I also have this little written out affirmation that I like to read when I wake up and before I go to bed. The little nightstand shelf that I have is actually from the Melrose Trading Post as well, and then I just keep my books and old journals in there. This is my plant child. I love it. It is my favorite plant ever. I got that at Home Depot a few months ago. This circular mirror, which I love, is from Target. Then I have this shelf, which my bookshelf is probably my most prized possession because I love books so much. So this shelf, I believe, is from Wayfair. So as you go down the rest of the shelf, I have more books, some photos, I have more jewelry, I keep my rings on this shelf, and yeah, just other random stuff. And then as you move to the left, I have a poster from the first 1975 concert I ever went to. Then I have my other plant children, my cactus, and then I forget what the other plant that I have is called, but I love them. I have these little fairy lights that are from Urban Outfitters. I keep 2 of my hats hung up right here, but you'll see I have more where that came from. I have another diffuser, a candle. The little dresser thing that the cactus is on was gifted to me. And then in the little shelf section of the mini dresser, I just have some candles and some written notes from my friends. Here's my other plant that I love, but I don't know the name of. I have a little quote here on my desk by Jay Shetty and a little candle from Bath & Body Works. Then I have some lavender that one of my really good friends, Mac, gave me. And then as you move into my desk area, I have another art print by Alja, which she's my favorite artist, guys. Love her. And this is basically where I edit my videos, do my schoolwork, all that stuff. I have my iMac there, and then the cute lamp is actually from Target. Now my desk was actually handmade by one of my relatives. He made it out of wooden pallets. This little ottoman I have, I got at a store in LA that unfortunately closed down. Okay, so this is a little DIY I kind of did. So this French hay thing is from a Free People old store display. I have a few of them throughout my room. Then I just took some dead flowers and stuck them on the wall with some washi tape. Then in this corner I keep my yoga mat and tripod and studio light. And then underneath my desk are just like my books and binders and stuff for school. And then this is another third of my collection of hats. There's still more, but those are the ones that I kind of displayed up on my wall above my closet. And then my closet doors are actually mirrors, so that I think gives the illusion that my room is bigger than it actually is, and I just love it. And then going back to my bed, I also have this Daybed that is from Urban Outfitters that I just keep at the end of my bed where like the pallets are, and you can see what the pallets look like underneath my bed. My rug that I have right here is from Home Goods. So that pretty much concludes my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so glad that I finally finished it. So thank you all so much. I love you. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite piece of decor in my room was. If you're not following me on social media, I have Instagram and Snapchat. Be sure to check those out. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I love you all so much, and don't forget to be here, be still, and be loved. Bye guys.